Well, good morning. Welcome to another episode of Ryder Dave. Today we are changing all the fluids in the 23 Maverick XMR. $68 miles, 66 miles. I don't think we have very many hours either. 17.6 hours. We're going to go ahead and do everything. We got the coolant draining. We got the full Can-Am XPS service kit. This is what the 23s take now, I guess. It's not really the temperature we're going to be riding in this summer, but we'll probably change that oil again long before it gets that hot here down south. We're going to be doing the transmission final drive assembly. Obviously, we're going to do the oil change, and we're doing the front diff. All right, moving on to the rear diff. As you can see, fluid looks brand new. But that's why I changed my fluids early. Go ahead and get a lot of that break-in stuff out. All right, filling the final drive back up with new fluid. This is the only thing that I could get in GL5 75-140. Go ahead and start doing the oil change. Let's get after it. Here's the engine oil drain plug. Oil filter's out. Just picking through it a little bit. Lighting's just not right to pick it up. There is some metal contamination. I was able to get some of it. So we're back. It's been a week. Didn't have enough time. We're putting gear oil in the front. That overflowed, got it cleaned out, emptied. Put new diff oil in the front, and then we will continue to replace the coolant. Well, that's going to conclude our maintenance video of the day. We'll work on getting this thing put back together, get the coolant filled up, and we'll do all this again minus the coolant again at 100 miles. But thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one at Ryder Dave YouTube channel. And just like that, we're back from our ride. 105.2, time to change all fluids again. Catch y'all on the next one.